One of the growing methods of constructing model railroad layouts in recent decades is the construction of modulars that can be attached to other modulars to create a layout that can be extended out to a distance a modular or club members wish to create.
I don't know the exact number, but I think it's somewhere around 30. Most of them are 2 feet by 4 feet.
The great advantage? You could take them anywhere, set up a layout, and get operating. What's on the rails? The world of modular model railroading.